In your Blackboard Ultra course, you will see three parts: content page, navigation bar, and details actions menu. The content is the core of the course and may have syllabus, course files, links, and various assessments located in folders or learning modules. On the navigation bar, you see the links to various tools such as calendar, announcements, discussions, Gradebook, messages, groups, and achievements. On the content page, when you click on a folder, the items within the folder will be listed underneath the folder. When you click on the folder again, the items within the folder will be collapsed. In the same way, when you click on a learning module, the items within the learning module will be listed underneath the learning module. When you click on the learning module again, the items in the learning module will be collapsed. On the Details and Actions menu, there is a Course Descriptions link that you can see the course descriptions. Join Session link allows you to enter the Blackboard Collaborate, a video conference room. View Course and Institution Tools leads you to access additional tools such as class external websites and Kaltura videos page. To get familiar with your course organization, the best way is to explore the content page and various links. Remember, if you ever get lost, you will click on the X sign at the upper left corner to close out the current page and then click on a different item.